our living stereo stylus in this groove.
What's going on, guys? It's Kevin from East Orlando Harley-Davidson. On today's tip of the week, we're talking about the Boombox GTS and the new Harley-Davidson app. Here's a really cool thing. A lot of us have our smartphones. We have apps for everything from navigation to text messages to social media to all of that. Well, Harley-Davidson has been paying attention. So they came out with the new Harley-Davidson app, and the new Harley-Davidson app does a lot of things. For one, it'll give you news. Right now, the news about the upcoming live wire. You have the road is calling, which is the challenge section. So you can do check-ins, you can do mileage challenges, you can get these cool challenge coins for the app. You can challenge your buddies to this. But what we're talking about today on the tip of the week is going to be an awesome way to take the navigation from your phone and link it directly to the Boombox GTS. So the best way to do that is you're going to turn your motorcycle on when you have the Boombox GTS system. You're going to open up your app and you're going to make sure you're Bluetooth connected to your app. Once you've done that, you're going to click this middle icon here, which is going to be your travel information. From there, you're going to say where to. Let's do East Orlando Harley-Davidson. So I'm just going to type it in here. It's going to pop right up. It gives me, anytime you want to look for a dealer, it's going to give you the dealer info. Now, the really cool thing here is going to be what's called send to bike. I'm going to click send to bike. It's going to ask me send location to the motorcycle. I'm going to hit send, and it is going to immediately populate on the Boombox GTS. I hit view.
The route is being populated.
There it goes. It's right away. I hit go.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
And I'm good to go. So now I have all the stuff. I don't have to sit there and punch in the exact address. I don't have to do any of that. I can do it straight from my phone. Now, something else that's really cool about this as well is you can do it while the motorcycle is off. So let me go ahead and stop this real quick. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the motorcycle off. Motorcycle is now off. You'll see the security system pop up. And I am going to set a new destination. We're in Florida. What's a really cool place in Florida? The Kennedy Space Center. It's actually a really cool ride as well. So I'm gonna click the Kennedy Space Center here. And on the app, it's going to say, send to the bike. I'm going to click send to the bike. It's going to say, this location will be sent to your Boombox GTS on the next time you connect it and it's available. So right now the motorcycle is off. I'm going to hit send. So now it's being sent to the bike. I'm not going to touch my phone again. I'm going to turn the motorcycle back on. So when I go out, I'm going to set up. I'm going to start getting my gloves on. I'm going to get my helmet on. If I'm putting on, if I got to put on rain gear or anything like that, this is going to give me some time to let the bike kind of start up and get rolling. And at the same time, I'm gonna be able to get all my protective gear. My wife can get ready. We can all get ready set. Once this is all set to done, without doing anything with my app, it is going to auto-populate into the bike. So we could be sitting on the couch, figuring out our day's ride, figuring out what we want to do at dinner, and there it goes. Just populated, new destination, hit view.
The route is being populated.
Kennedy Space Center, and we're gonna hit go.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
And now I have my navigation built onto my bike. So this is a great way to utilize technology inside the 2019 Road Glide, as well as all other touring bikes that come with the Boombox GTS, to be able to put navigation directly into your bike, and it makes it a lot easier to use. Again, guys, my name is Kevin here at East Orlando Harley-Davidson. Thank you so much for watching the tip of the week. Please like, follow, subscribe, share it with all your friends. We're putting stuff up all the time now. We've got stuff on social media for our events. And again, if you have any questions, please come on down here. We're right off Lake Underhill, and come see me. Again, thank you so much.